Most people think Shopify or Wix are the best ways to launch an online store, but here's the problem. They're expensive, the setup takes forever, and by the time you've downloaded all the apps you need, you're spending more money than you're making. And let's be real, most creators don't want to spend weeks messing around with templates or figuring out plugins. You want to start selling ASAP. And that's exactly why I'm showing you something completely different today. It's not Shopify and it's not Wix. This platform is built with your best interests in mind. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your first AI-powered store with Everbee Store. Okay, now once we've logged into Everbee, it's going to give us 3 different options to build our website. The first one we can do by creating it with AI. The second one, we can actually import our Etsy store into the Everbee store. And then the third one, we can migrate it from Wix. Like I said, for this one, we're going to be showing you how to do the AI-powered store. So what we want to do is click Create with AI and press Get Started. And here we're able to put in our own custom prompt. So I'm going to copy and paste one that I made up for myself. I want to create a motivational store inspired by content creators with print-on-demand mugs, t-shirts, and wall prints. Design should feature quotes like document the journey, frequency of wealth, create every day. The theme should be bold, minimal, and modern, aimed at aspiring entrepreneurs and actors. Then it will give us a list of other ones we can choose from here. So I'm launching a motivational store that reflects my passion, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Let's go with this one here. We're going to add that, and then we're going to click Next. And now with the power of AI, it's going to go through, create all the backend for the website, and it's going to have a fully optimized website for you ready to go. And there we go. We've got to start to the web page. As you can see here, it's got the title, it's got the shop now button, we've got our products zone, and we can go through here and adjust all of this. If we click next, we're also going to be able to change the theme of what colors we want for our website. So you can go with a little bit of a darker one. You can see that changes up the colors a bit. You can go with a bit of a lighter one if you like. There you go. As you can see, you can change it to whatever color that would suit you the best. Then you can go ahead and you can actually choose your font pairings. So you can select the type of font that you want for your website. It's going to optimize it all so that it all looks the same. So if you even just want to pick something that looks pretty smooth, like this one here, you can see it automatically goes through and changes all the font for our website. And then if we scroll down here, you can even see it's also got a corner radius. So if we look at our Shop Now button, you can click here, you can make it square. You can make it a little bit rounder, and you can round it off completely. Then we can go ahead and click Next, and it's going to give us the different plans that we can choose from. So you can either do it monthly, and you can start off with a $1 free trial for the first month, or you can go do it annually, which will save you a little bit over the course of the year. That's completely up to you. Now, the bit of a difference between all the plans, for the essential plan, you'll start off with one online store. You get unlimited products, which is awesome. You also get a landing page. Now, for the core and the advanced models, obviously you're going to get a little bit more for each of those features. So you get the 3 online stores here, the 6 here, also unlimited products. You get some more contacts. You get unlimited landing pages as well. So go through, have a little bit of a look, select the plan that will best suit yourself. We'll leave a link down in the description below so you can get started right away. Awesome. Now, once we've selected our plan, we're ready to go. So we've already got our colors, our fonts, and our quarter radius all set up. Once you click the Go to Dashboard step, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And I want to mention, if you have a look at the overview of the dashboard, there's not really many options there, and they've done this on purpose. It's to make sure that people like yourself, myself, it makes it easier for us to actually go through and navigate how we're going to build our website, how we're going to adjust things, how we're going to add our products, how we're going to set up our payments. It just makes it a whole lot less harder when we've got less options to choose from. So as you can see, just on the page here, it shows that we can add our first product. We can set up our Stripe payment. They've let us know with a little bit of a reminder down here. We can shut this, open this if we like to. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a whole different bunch of metrics here. This is all going to be determined once you start making sales with your store. That way you have data to analyze and obviously navigate from there. And then up the top here, you're going to be able to see the actual domain of the website. So creativevibe.myeverbee.com. If you do want to make any adjustments to your information, all you have to do is click edit here, and it's going to give you a whole different bunch of settings to choose from. So we can change the site name here if we like to. We got a whole bunch of different business information. Then if you go over to the domain, you can actually connect an existing domain. So whether you've already purchased one from GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or any other registrar, you're able to actually go and import that into your Everbee store. Then we've got the payments and tax section. So we can obviously fill in our information here. That way we can get paid. That way we can pay tax. Then we've got our shipping information that we can go through and change if we need to as well. And then we've got some more advanced tools that you can go through and have a look at as well. And then if we go back to our dashboard, on the top right here, we can hit preview site. It's going to show us exactly what our site's looking like at the moment. So as you can see, the URL is creativevibe.myeverbee.com. Comes up with some pop-ups on the screen here that obviously I didn't add any of these, so the AI's put this all in. As you can see, we've got that font that we've chosen, the colors that we've chosen. It's got some fill-in products here that you would obviously go and change to suit yourself. You've got a little bit more information as you scroll down the page. Then you've got an opportunity to grab people's emails down the bottom that can join your creator community. You've got some more links, about us, help, all these different things that you can choose from. There, we've already got some awesome foundations for our website. Obviously, if we need to make any more adjustments, if we want to go change it, we can go do that throughout the Everbee store. But this is just a perfect example of how we can create our AI-powered store with one click. So this is a perfect example of what your store can go ahead and look like. So this one here is called Oak and Ember, slow burning scents for soulful spaces. Then you can see all the different products that they could choose from. It just looks nice and clean. And this is all just by AI powering it for you. Then if you have an actual look at the Everbee swag website, they've got some options you can choose from. You can actually go and buy ahead your own Everbee candles, Everbee hoodies, Everbee kids tees, all this different stuff. So there it is, guys. That's the simple process of setting up our Everbee store with AI. If you just want a more thorough and in-depth tutorial on exactly how to set it up step by step, leave a comment down below saying in-depth, and we'll go ahead and create that one for you. But that's all for this video, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.